Welcome to the Unit 2 test read aloud. The test is worth a total of 50 points. If you need additional time in between questions, please pause the recording. And if you have any questions about the test at all, please contact your teacher. Here we go. Question number 1. What did Robert Millikan's oil drop experiment prove? The mass of the nucleus, the mass of the neutron, the mass of the electron, or the mass of the proton? Question 2. J.J. Thomson's cathode ray tube experiment showed which of the following? Atoms consist of at least some negatively charged particles, and he discovered the electron. The nucleus of the atom. Matter can be neither created nor destroyed. Atoms are small individual spheres. Question 3. What was Ernest Rutherford's contribution to our understanding of atomic structure? He discovered the neutron. He discovered the mass of the electron. He discovered the existence of a center to the atom. He discovered the electron. Question 4. Match each of the following particles to their respective charge in the atom. We have +1, 0, and -1. And the particles are proton, neutron, and electron. Question 5. Match each of the following particles to its correct location within an atom. We have the neutral center of the atom, or in the nucleus. We have around the outer edges of the atom, and the positive center of the atom, or again in the nucleus. The particles we're matching are proton, neutron, electron. Question 6. What did Ernest Rutherford's model of an atom look like? A nucleus surrounded by electrons, a random mixture of protons, neutrons, and electrons, plum pudding, or a single individual atom? Question 7. A specific electrically neutral atom of boron has 5 protons, 5 electrons, and 6 neutrons. What is the mass number of this atom of boron? Is it 16, 11, 5, or 6? Question 8. Mercury has an atomic number of 80 and a mass number of 200. How many neutrons are in one atom of mercury? Is it 40, 80, 120, or 200? Question 9. An electrically neutral atom of gallium has 31 electrons, 39 neutrons. What is the mass number for an atom of gallium? Is it 70, 31, 35, or 62? Question 10. What is the charge on an electrically neutral atom of hydrogen? Is it 0, +2, +1, or -1? Question 11. An atom has 17 protons and 18 neutrons. Which of the following could be the symbol for that atom including its mass number. Consult the periodic table. Is it silicon 34, argon 33, chlorine 35, or sulfur 35? Question 12. Which of the following is the composition of an isotope of calcium, atomic number 20? 22 protons, 20 neutrons, and 19 electrons. 21 protons, 20 neutrons, and 20 electrons. 19 protons, 20 neutrons, 19 electrons. Or 20 protons, 25 neutrons, and 20 electrons. Question 13. Given that oxygen has an atomic number of 8, determine how many protons and neutrons are in the isotope oxygen 18, or written oxygen-18. Is it 8 protons and 7 neutrons, 8 protons and 10 neutrons, 8 protons and 8 neutrons, or 8 protons and 9 neutrons? Question 14. The chlorine-35 isotope has the same number of electrons as the chlorine-37 isotope. True or false? Question 15. The chlorine-35 isotope has the same number of neutrons as the chlorine-37 isotope. True or false? Question 16. What is average atomic mass? The average mass of all the isotopes of an element, the mass of an atom based on the mass of an atom of carbon-12, the mass of an atom times the mass of an atom of carbon-12, or the mass of the nucleus minus the mass of the electrons. Question 17. Nitrogen is made up of 99.632% nitrogen-14 and 0.368% nitrogen-15. The atomic mass of nitrogen-14 is 14.003 atomic mass units. The atomic mass of nitrogen-15 is 15 atomic mass units. What is the average atomic mass of nitrogen? Is it 13.007, 20.000, 14.006, or 15.003? Question 18. An atom is electrically neutral because it has same number of protons and neutrons, same number of protons and electrons, more protons than electrons, more neutrons than protons. Question 19. Silicon has 3 isotopes, silicon-28, silicon-29, and silicon-30. Which isotope is the most abundant given that the atomic mass of silicon is 28.086 atomic mass units? Is it silicon-28, silicon-29, silicon-30, or there is not enough information? Question 20. Rhenium is made up of 37.4% rhenium-185 and 62.6% rhenium-187. The atomic mass of rhenium-185 is 184.953 atomic mass units. The atomic mass of rhenium-187 is 186.956 atomic mass units. What is the average atomic mass of rhenium? Is it 186.207 atomic mass units, 180 atomic mass units, 188 atomic mass units, or 190.397 atomic mass units? Question 21 is our first open-ended question. Refer to the table of naturally occurring isotopes of sulfur to answer the following essay question to the best of your ability. State in terms of the number of subatomic particles, one similarity and one difference between the atoms of these isotopes of sulfur. Remember, your answer should be about the subatomic particles. Question 22 is also an open-ended question. There are two naturally occurring isotopes of copper. The table below shows the two isotopes, their abundance, and their mass in atomic mass units. Calculate the average atomic mass of copper. You must show all work for full credit. The last question on the test is optional and a bonus question worth 6 points. Element X has two natural isotopes. The isotope with a mass of 10.012 atomic mass units has an abundance of 19.91%. The other isotope has a mass of 11.009 atomic mass units. In Part A, worth 5 points, calculate the atomic mass of this element, show all of your work for full credit, and in Part B, worth 1 point, name the element. That is the end of the test. Again, if you have any questions about the test, please contact your teacher, and good luck.